Boker Tov, good morning. We continue with our 3-minute daily dose of Torah. Today is Rosh Chodesh Elul. It's actually the last day of Av. Tomorrow is the first day of Elul. And we'll start blowing shofar tomorrow. But already we can use this day of the first day of the week and the way our learning will work to begin to prepare ourselves. Can you imagine, in a hot mid-August time, to prepare ourselves for the Yamim Noreim, the days of awe, as they will arrive. I thought this year, and I actually decided for myself to pull off my shelf a sefer that I've had for probably decades and really have not sat and learned with, but I decided that this year at least I'll start. I'll start and work with some of the essays of this sefer, Yemei Zikaron, Days of Remembrance, of Rav Soloveitchik. Originally, these were Yiddish essays and shiurim. I think they were more public shiurim that he gave, Yortzeit shiurim and Tshuva drashot as well. But they're all in this book that's called Days of Remembrance. And as I started to learn the first section, I was trying to ask myself, okay, is this a Rosh Hashanah sefer or not? There are some sections that we'll come up to about the shofar and other elements about teshuvah. That's all really essential teaching. But the first essay does not ostensibly take us there, but maybe it will nonetheless. I'm going to spend a little time with you these next few days on this first essay. The title of this first chapter is Shlichut. Shlichut, which means being on a mission, being a messenger. And let's begin. The Rav begins his discussion about the status of the nature of a person being B'Tselem Elokim, in the image of God. And this is part of the kavod habriot. We speak about the honor of that's due to every human being, kavod habriot. Rav Soloveitchik says that flows from the recognition that we are all B'Tselem Elokim, that God created us, starting with Adam. As we'll reach towards the end of Elul, we start thinking more in these terms, right? About the creation of the world and then the creation of Adam on Rosh Hashanah, and all of us who are then the versions of Adam and Eve throughout all the generations. Each and every time that we are created, that's called birth of a human being, is another moment that B'Tselem Elokim, an image of God, stands on the earth or emerges to the scene. I want you to think today a little bit more. Let it settle with you. This is sort of a reflection that you should engage in. What does it mean? What does it mean to think of myself as in the image of God? What does it call on me to be, to do, to ponder, and how to act? At the same time, what does it call on me in my relationship to you? That seems to be the kavod habriot component. I have to treat others with great honor because they're in the image of God too. This should be just a little avoda for you for today. Tomorrow we'll continue with the next part of Rav Soloveitchik's teaching. Have a great day.